For this lesson, we're going to be making a traditional origami box. It's going to be kind of square like this, and when you make two of them, you can fit them together almost like just like a real box. So start with your regular 9 by 12 paper. Fold the top edge down to the side like this so that you can make your origami square to start with. Please use bone folder for every crease because it's going to be essential that you do a really nice job folding those edges so that they really look nice and crisp like a box. If you don't, it's going to look kind of rounded and blobby and it won't look very nice at the end. So you start with that. You've got one diagonal crease here. Okay, fold the bottom end up so that you have your traditional X in the paper like that, and then you're going to fold it in half, bottom to top, open it up, fold it right to left in half, okay, like that, so you have your traditional folding like you would fold if you were doing a water bomb base. Then you're going to take this corner and fold it into the center, just like that. It looks almost identical to the fortune teller that most kids know how to make in first grade. It starts that same way. So do that on all corners. And please use your bone folder so it looks really nice. Open the two ends, hold it horizontal so the ends are pointing horizontal. You're going to take this flat edge, fold it into the center. Leave yourself just a little room on the center line. If my center line is right here, I'm just to the side of it. Turn it, fold the bottom up so that it looks like this. I call this the burrito fold because it kind of looks like a burrito when you're done. It's really essential that this diagonal line in green here is very clear and crisply folded. Otherwise it won't fold into a nice box when you're done. Unfold it, back to that way, unfold it all the way, and fold these sides in because we haven't done those yet. These are the opposite sides. Turn it so that the center line again here is horizontal, okay? And then do the same burrito fold. You take the bottom, fold it up to the center, fold it nice and hard with your bone folder, rotate it, fold the bottom up to the center, fold it with your bone folder. Now this is the hardest part. Okay, you got these two diagonal lines. Those two are going to fold together and crease in. You have to open it up like this and hold these two little triangles here down with your thumbs and take your index fingers and grab, if I turn here, grab right at the tip of those two lines. Okay, and you have to find those lines. And then you're going to kind of fold this up and grab your middle fingers behind the box. And then you have to pinch this side and this side together so that it looks like that. Okay, and you can see the fold kind of right in here. Then you're going to flop this top portion over the top. It should line up right with that crease. And then press it down so that that triangle fits right in that hole. And you rotate it around, do the same thing. Thumbs down, index fingers right on the top of this green line. Okay, squish the back together with your middle fingers. Okay, so that all those lines and folds line up. Flop it over the top with your index fingers and down inside. So there's your kind of traditional origami box. Should look like that. And if you've got two of them, you use the same exact size piece of paper, and then you can, if you kind of not crumple, but kind of bend one of them, the one can fit inside of the other, and you can write on the outside of it and make a box. Okay, you could store pencils in it, erasers in it, doodads in it, or anything else. So there you go. That is the end of our traditional origami box demonstration.